because the car have 28 code, which is not bad. So I'm gonna try to display fault. KAFAS, no current encoding, controlling vehicle identification number does not match. Okay. Central fault, memory full, no control fault. Central fault, central full. Wow. Let me go back, clear all this fault. I'm gonna delete all these faults. Okay, now we have 9 code, display fault memory, side view camera, side brake pad wear, control unit KFC. This is a problem. Camera unit, I don't know what is this. Camera based driver assist system. It's not the same. disc. Yeah, they have rear replacement brake part. Maybe need to be replaced. Hello? Your brake pad, you have any problem with it?
Huh?
Did you change the brake?
No, I didn't change it.
Okay, maybe it's finished already, the rear one.
Okay, yeah.
That's one. I see cylinder number 4, number 5, number 8 misfire. Those misfire, and I see air flow meter sensor, you know, the air that going inside. They have issue like air measuring. The camera unit, there is a computer that related to the camera unit. They say is not belong to the car, like information mismatch, not program, but that will not affect the drivability. It show me wheel speed sensor, like one of the tire, maybe ABS is not working well.
Yeah, I know that, yeah.
And that can create the car to go into limp mode.
Oh.
Any ABS signal you drive and you push, and the sensor is not, if the computer see that, if the engine see that one of the sensor, ABS, see that one of the wheel is not running good, he think that you push the brake, you want to make accident. So he try to limp the car, push the car in a limp mode. If you notice, this thing happen only when you drive, only when you push the brake.
Yeah. When I push the brake, I can feel like something is like, the brake is not like...
Yeah, it's not like, but you're going to see a message and say, look, power reduced, based on that. That ABS signal, you need to fix it. Also, the rear brake, you have a sensor. If you never change it, you may need to put the brake and you change the sensor. Other than that, to tune this car, to open it and do the work on it, you know, like maintain it, preventive maintenance. If you did it before or not, I'm not sure, but if you want to do it, you must have to start work on toward that one. Other than that, you have other little bit like mirror, side view camera not learning, side view camera not learn. The camera is not learn, and brake pad, outside mirror heater not right. You know, like just a little bit there. You feel this car, I already reset everything. If you feel this car is driving good, it doesn't give you a headache only sometime, do not start going and just jump, take out things on it. But if you feel like, okay, it's a time to maintain it and change the spark plug and check the PCV valve, anything that you need to be done, you want to do it, it's okay, you can start, maintain it. But start by the ABS, start by the brake, and then we can look at why it's misfiring, if there is any leak, air flow meter sensor have to be cleaned, all this have to start by it. That's the only thing I can tell you now.
Okay, I recently changed the spark plugs. I put the new one and the coil and the injectors.
Did they clean it like the way I did now? Because I see like almost 27 to 30 coats. Now I have only 9 coats. Is that history? Those stuff are shadow. Is it a shadow?
I don't know.
After he changed it, did he clear everything, reset it? No.
He didn't tell me that though.
Okay, we did this one here now. We clear it. We did everything, and then you drive. If those things come back again, show that we can take a decision what we need to do. If nothing come up, start by fixing the rear brake sensor and the ABS sensor that is sometimes erratic, have to be fixed before you go. Thank you. And I'm gonna put this video on the YouTube. You can watch it, what I see in it.
Cool.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.